A day out on the lake gets political as Wisconsin Governor Scott Walker comes to the Chippewa Valley for the 46th annual Governor's Fishing Opener. Controversy has surrounded Governor Walker ever since he signed legislation to repeal state workers' collective bargaining rights. WEAU's Aaron Dimmick has our top story tonight. He was out today fishing with Governor Walker and some unexpected guests.
Fishing on Lake Wissota today, Governor Walker probably thought that he could get away from the protesters in Madison, but what he found, protesters just feet from where he was fishing.
Oh, a muskie! Look at net.
It's called the Governor's Fishing Open. It's really about the people of the state. Whatever's biting, hopefully, is what we're finding.
But instead of fish, the Republican governor reeled in nearly a dozen protesters in 3 boats, all with signs pointed right at him.
They have every right to do that. I think most people in this state, when they go out to go fishing, go to get away from their jobs, from politics, from business, and that's what we're going to be doing. If others want to bring it along with them, that's their right. Governor Walker kept his back to the protesters, keeping his eyes on his line instead.
Well, they had that right, but I think it's kind of rude.
As the governor fished on one side of the lake, Wisconsin workers held their own fishing opener on the other side. The flotilla of protesters paraded around the lake with colorful signs speaking out against the governor.
I'm a public school teacher, and a large part of my motivation for protesting against the governor is the damage that I think he's going to do to public education. Our state has become quite divided and quite politicized, and unfortunately we can't go back to the days where it was just a good day to fish.
No, we're just out fighting for all the working people, and we're just going to keep it up. November 3rd starts the recall process.
Despite the controversies, today's open set to bring in much needed money to area businesses. On Lake Wissota, Aaron Dimmick, WEAU 13 News.